Pets aren't just animals. They're part of the family. And just like any family member, they deserve a little extra love, comfort, and fun. Luckily, today's pet gadgets are smarter than ever, making it easier to care for your furry, or even feathery friends. From self-cleaning litter boxes to high-tech grooming tools and interactive toys, these clever creations take pet care to the next level. So, get ready. Here are 15 genius pet gadgets on Amazon. You must have that will make both you and your pet happier than ever. Microfiber Towel. The Microfiber Towel for pets, priced at $24, is a must-have gadget for every pet owner. Made of ultra-absorbent microfiber chenille, it soaks up 7 times its weight in water, making post-bath or rainy day cleanup effortless. The built-in hand pockets offer great grip and control, allowing quick drying for dogs of all sizes. It's soft, durable, and machine washable, perfect for daily use as a towel, mat, or crate insert. Fast drying and odor resistant, this plush towel keeps your furry friend clean, comfortable, and your home fresh. Paw Cleaner. The Paw Cleaner, priced at $13, is a smart and gentle solution for keeping your pet's paws spotless. Its soft silicone brush deeply cleans between toes, removing mud, dirt, and odor without harming delicate skin. The no-rinse foaming formula makes it easy to use anywhere. No water needed. Infused with natural extracts like aloe vera and tea extract, it soothes, moisturizes, and deodorizes while maintaining pH balance. Superior to wipes and cups, this eco-friendly cleaner keeps your home clean and your furry friend's paws fresh and healthy every day. Grooming Vacuum Kit. The Grooming Vacuum Kit, priced at $77, is a game changer for pet owners seeking a clean, mess-free grooming experience. With powerful 12,000 PA suction, it captures up to 99% of loose fur directly into its large dust cup, keeping your home spotless. The low-noise design, below 50 decibels, ensures a calm grooming session, while 3 adjustable suction levels suit pets of all sizes. Featuring 6 guide combs and a 4.9-foot detachable hose, this 5-in-1 grooming kit delivers professional results at home, saving time, money, and keeping your furry friend happy. Tennis Ball Blaster. The Tennis Ball Blaster, priced at $32, is the ultimate pet gadget for fun-filled fetch sessions. This Nerf dog launcher effortlessly shoots balls up to 50 feet, giving your furry friend plenty of exercise and excitement. With its easy pullback handle and hands-free pickup, it keeps your hands clean and dry. Designed for small to large dogs, the included smaller Nerf balls are safe and durable. Built with Nerf-tough materials and adjustable power, this blaster delivers safe, high-energy playtime for both pets and their owners. Dog Bike Leash. The Dog Bike Leash, priced at $80, is a premium gadget designed for safe and enjoyable cycling with your furry companion. Its rotating design allows your dog to move freely from side to side without pulling or tangling, ensuring a smooth ride. Crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, 10 times stronger and 15 times lighter than steel, it's both durable and comfortable. The built-in shock absorption system keeps you balanced, even during sudden tugs. With quick release attachment and adjustable length, it offers effortless setup and the ultimate hands-free biking experience. Dog Water Fountain. The Dog Water Fountain, priced at $56, is a smart hydration solution designed especially for large dogs and multi-pet homes. With its 10-liter, 2.6-gallon capacity, it keeps pets hydrated for days with minimal. Refilling. Made of food-grade stainless steel, it's rust-proof, dishwasher-safe, and keeps water cool and fresh. The continuous flow system with a visible water window ensures fresh, filtered water at all times. Featuring ultra-quiet operation, a smart low-water indicator, and a reusable sponge with 5-stage filtration, this fountain offers clean, convenient, and worry-free hydration for your furry friend. Dog Shower. The Dog Shower, priced at $32, is a professional-grade grooming gadget that makes bath time effortless and enjoyable. The Waterpik Pet Wand Pro features a unique wand design with adjustable water comb and narrow sprays, perfect for rinsing thick coats or gently cleaning sensitive areas. It easily attaches to indoor showers or outdoor hoses, offering flexibility for any setup. With one-handed control, an 8-foot hose, and included adapters, this complete bathing system ensures a quick, thorough clean, keeping your pet comfortable and your grooming routine simple, efficient, and mess-free. Laser Toy. The Laser Toy, priced at $22, is an interactive and intelligent gadget that keeps your cat entertained for hours. Featuring a dual motor design, it projects a truly random laser trajectory that stimulates your pet's natural hunting instincts. The motion-activated sensor automatically turns on when your cat moves nearby, saving energy with 15-minute play cycles. With 3 speed modes and an adjustable laser angle, it's perfect for all play styles. The quiet motor, rechargeable 1200 mAh battery, and durable build make it a fun, long-lasting, and hassle-free toy for indoor cats. Cooling Mat. The Cooling Mat, priced at $150, delivers all-day comfort for pets with advanced cooling technology that maintains an ideal temperature between 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for hot summer days, it cools efficiently within 10 minutes and operates best in rooms from 77 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, offering energy savings compared to traditional AC. The soft, breathable fabric and premium foam ensure lasting durability and comfort. Made with safe, non-toxic materials and a removable water mat, it's easy to clean and completely worry-free. A premium cooling solution that keeps your furry friend relaxed, refreshed, and happy year-round. Grenade Dog Toy. The Grenade Dog Toy, priced at $17, is a durable and fun chew toy designed to satisfy your dog's natural instincts. Its grenade shape provides mental stimulation and helps reduce anxiety, boredom, and destructive behavior. Made from tough, non-toxic rubber, it withstands even the most aggressive chewers like pit bulls and German shepherds. Perfect for stuffing with treats or peanut butter, it adds extra excitement to playtime. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean, this versatile toy is ideal for chewing, chasing, or fetching, keeping your pup happy, active, and engaged for hours. Litter Box. The Litter Box, priced at $299, is a premium self-cleaning solution that eliminates daily scooping and keeps your home odor-free. Activating 2 minutes after your cat exits, it automatically separates and seals waste in an 11-liter bin, ideal for up to 15 days of use. Its triple-layer odor defense and leak-proof ABS design ensure lasting freshness. Equipped with infrared sensors and weight detection, it guarantees your cat's safety during cleaning. With app control and real-time habit tracking, this smart litter box combines hygiene, convenience, and advanced technology for effortless pet care. Cat Rolling Ball. The Cat Rolling Ball, priced at $19, is an interactive smart toy designed to keep your feline entertained and active. With 3 play modes, normal, passive, and gentle, it moves, shakes, and bounces automatically, engaging cats of all energy levels. Its soft synthetic fiber surface feels natural, while colorful LED lights capture your cat's attention. The built-in motion sensor ensures obstacle avoidance, keeping playtime unpredictable and fun. Featuring an automatic play and rest cycle, it prevents overstimulation. Rechargeable and durable, this intelligent rolling ball offers endless excitement, perfect for curious, energetic, or easily bored cats. Smelly UFO. The Smelly UFO, priced at $28, is an interactive treat dispensing toy that keeps dogs entertained, active, and mentally sharp. Simply fill it with your pup's favorite snacks, and the irresistible scent and rolling motion will capture their attention instantly. Designed to stimulate both mind and body, one play session equals an hour's walk in energy output. With adjustable difficulty levels and dual maze chambers, it suits all dogs, from curious puppies to clever problem solvers. Built with durable, rubber-like materials, the Smelly UFO ensures long-lasting, stress-relieving fun for your furry friend.